What happened to Trump's 2020 election case? Let's dive into a timeline of events. The case against President-elect Donald Trump was filed in 2023, with charges of mishandling classified documents and attempting to meddle with the 2020 election. The man behind this legal move? Special counsel Jack Smith. His mission was to uphold the law, seeking justice for these serious allegations. Though the charges seemed grave, they were not unprecedented. Trump had faced similar legal battles before, but this case was unique. Smith, a seasoned prosecutor, was determined to ensure that every stone was unturned, every piece of evidence examined. His tenacity drove the case forward, pushing it into the spotlight. With the case filed, the wheels of justice began to turn, but where would they lead? As the case unfolded, it was met with a series of legal challenges. The legal journey of this high-profile case was nothing short of a thrilling roller coaster ride. The year 2023 was a significant year in this narrative, as it marked the onset of indictments against Donald Trump, the then president-elect. The charges were serious, encompassing allegations of mishandling classified documents and attempts to overturn the 2020 election results. However, the course of the case took a significant turn due to a long-standing Justice Department policy. This policy effectively puts a protective shield around a sitting president, preventing them from being criminally charged. As a result, the indictments faced by Trump were caught in a legal paradox. On one hand, there were serious allegations against him. On the other hand, his position as the president-elect made him immune to these charges. The legal proceedings were further complicated by the role of conservative judges. These judges, leaning towards Trump's political spectrum, decided to uphold the Justice Department's policy. This decision effectively provided immunity to Trump, further entrenching the complexities of the case. This protective shield was not just a theoretical concept, but it had real-world implications. It not only impacted the course of the case, but also had significant bearing on the broader political landscape. The protection offered to Trump by the conservative judges led to the dismissal of the charges against him. The case seemed to be on a roller coaster ride, with highs and lows at every turn. From the serious indictments made in 2023 to the application of the Justice Department's policy and the role of conservative judges, every twist and turn added a new layer to this legal saga. Then came a twist that no one saw coming. Special counsel Jack Smith, in an unexpected turn of events, requested the dismissal of the case against Donald Trump. He followed the Justice Department's policy that refrains from prosecuting a sitting president. This motion left many stunned as it marked a significant departure from the previous trajectory of the case. The presiding judge, Tanya Chutkan, agreed to the motion, thereby dismissing the case. Her decision echoed the policy of the Justice Department, further solidifying its influence in the legal proceedings involving sitting presidents. This decision effectively put an end to all federal charges against Trump related to mishandling classified documents and attempting to overturn the 2020 election. The implications of this decision are substantial. It not only ends the legal efforts to hold Trump accountable for these allegations, but also leaves the door open for future prosecution. The judge dismissed the case without prejudice, meaning charges could be refiled in the future if circumstances change, and so the case against Trump was dismissed, leaving many to wonder what the future holds. In the wake of the dismissed case, what are the key takeaways? First, we've seen the application of the Justice Department's policy that prevents a sitting president from being charged with a crime. The federal case against President-elect Trump, involving allegations of election interference and mishandling classified documents, was dismissed, following a motion filed by special counsel Jack Smith. This decision has significant implications. Trump's legal battles have been put on hold, leading to a political resurgence. His return to the White House has left state-level cases in limbo, bringing to an end, for now, efforts to hold him accountable through legal means. Additionally, the dismissal of this case could set a precedent for future presidents and their potential legal challenges. The policy of not prosecuting a sitting president could be tested again. On another note, the Justice Department's focus has shifted to arresting January 6th rioters, a move that might stir the political landscape further. Trump's plans to pardon some of these rioters as he prepares to re-enter the White House will undoubtedly cause waves. As we look forward, the legacy of Trump's 2020 election case continues to unfold. Stay tuned for more updates as they come.